What's up, YouTube? This is John. Let me show you what we got today. We're going to be working on my truck. Let me show you what happened the other day. Hit a buzzard right in kind of this area, right there. All right, so all it messed up really was the grill right here. You can kind of see broken all through there. All these little ribs kind of broke. Big hole. It's a little cracked right there too. So means gotta get a new grill for the truck. And there it is right there on the front porch. So let's get it inside and tear it open. This is a Paramount Automotive something grill. You can see it's got 3 LEDs, the orange one's in the top, with a center bar right there. And that, anybody guess what that's for? Yep, factory Ford oval on the front. Pop it off, supposedly pop it off the original grill and stick it right there. And let's flip it over. Here we go. Here, the little plugs for the 3 LEDs. There's a wiring harness in the box. I just haven't gotten it out yet. It looks like the little center piece is removable. These Phillips head screws and plates that hold it on. So I guess if you wanted to run it without the bar, just the mesh in the middle and the lights, I guess you could. All right, here's the wiring harness that was in the box. Take a look at it here. Let's see, get this thing. That's the end that would probably tap into your not your turn signal, your side marker light on a truck. And it's all, looks like it's got a kind of a shiny plastic tube, not really heat shrink, but just some plastic tubing. And on the other end, splits out into your 3 connectors for the 3 LED lights that are in the top of it. So that's the new grill. Like I said, it's got 3 amber LEDs on the top. I think the basis of the grill is supposed to be designed after the 2017 maybe Raptor front grill, but I didn't really want it to have the big Ford letters on there to make it obviously look like a Raptor grill, because I didn't want to be the guy that was trying to make my not Raptor be a Raptor. So I went with the straight bar with the Ford emblem in the middle, like I said, to kind of maintain or retain the styling off the original grill. But it's still, a little more aggressive than the original. Alright, so yesterday I got the grill in, and I was going to wait until this weekend to get it on so I could record it and all, but I couldn't wait, so I went ahead and got it put on. So now I got Andy here helping me out. So yeah, I didn't feel like waiting to get it put on. All I've got left to do is get these little wires. You can see right here. Something messed me up. Here's the clips. I just gotta get them all plugged in and put in neatly. And the cable runs through here, down it and out, and then it's going to go down through there. And I'm going to take the headlight out and tap into this light right here. There's 2 wires that go in, a ground and a hot, and tap into the hot wire with that one. And there's 3 bolts for the light. This one here, this one here, and there's another one back behind there. They're all 10 millimeter. To take the grill off, you got to get that one, which is the original grill, has the same spot as a 10 millimeter. There's 4 across the middle that are 10 millimeter also, and the last one up there. And then you gotta get that one out, and then this one out. That's what holds this metal bar to these brackets. They're both 10 millimeter. And then once that comes out, there's a bunch of plastic clips along the top that you have to pry out. And then you can just unthread these. They're kind of like a Torx bit. I think they're a T25. There's 6 of those across that metal bar. You gotta take this out and then thread it back into the new grill, and then line it all back up, get the clips pushed in, the bolt sticking through, and bolt them back up. The reason they don't have nuts on them, I found out afterwards that the original nut that goes on there doesn't fit this. I've got to get 6 new ones. I know what size to get. I just got to go get them. But today we're going to be working on tying in. We got these quick connects to splice into the hot wire, and this one to ground the ground wire. And so just got to get all this stuff tied up neat, and then we'll be taking the headlight out and tapping in. So I got the headlight taken out. If you can see in here, this is the cable that comes out through there. It runs down back behind the what is that, the windshield washer reservoir, and it splits out. So we'll take the red, splice into this one. It's a yellow with a green tracer. The black one will be the ground, so we're going to hit that yellow one, and then we'll find somewhere to ground that black cable to.
working. Yep. Yep. We're something right. Do-rag.
If you liked the video, go ahead and hit the like button down there. If you really liked it, go ahead and subscribe. We'll have all kinds of videos coming out. Thanks for watching.